Hi everybody, Steve Houston. Welcome to my channel. And again, we talk about all things financial services here. This is really an update on, I told you that I was starting last week. In fact, I don't know if you can see it or not, but right here on my monitor, it says March 22nd, 2021. That is the very date that I decided to make a renewed commitment to personal production at the elite level, which means doing $100,000 or more issue paid business per year, in addition to helping all of our agents be trained with our proprietary training system that really, I believe, is the best system on the planet in terms of being able to come in, get your license, get trained, and have that coach or mentor with you every single step of the way. And I'm working on a video right now to get that out to really, because I'm not sure everybody really understands how important that is. There are three areas that you have to really get good at here, and that is leads, training, and support. Notice training and support are the two or the three things that you need in order to be successful in the leads-based selling business, right? In terms of financial services, life insurance, mortgage protection, final expense, whatever you want to call it, death protection, right? So, we designed this system going back probably, I don't know, many years, 5 years, 6 years, whatever it was, to really be that coach and mentor every step of the way with you or our agents. Meaning, we are on the phone. And people ask me this all the time, what does that look like? What does that mean? Well, it means just like this. It's you and I communicating either on Zoom, on the telephone, or in person every step of the way. So that means once you get licensed, get contracted with the carriers, it's also getting you on the phone script training, booking appointments, make some dials, get some feedback, make some more dials, turning you into a very good appointment setter. So that's not the subject of this video. I kind of went off on a right turn here, but that is our system. It's teaching the phone script, and then once you start booking appointments, strategizing your case with you so you know before you go into the home what they qualify for, what options you're going to offer, and then we work on the phone script, the in-home presentation, and then we're always available by telephone while you're sitting with the client. Huge. So there's a lot to that system that really allows our agents to get in the field and start earning income much faster. So that system is in place. We had the support staff here to scale it to however large the organization gets. And so I really enjoy being out in the field and again, leading from the front. I don't believe you can lead a team of agents unless you're leading first by doing what you're asking them to do, which is getting in the field, writing some personal production. So in March 22nd, 2021, I decided that I'm going to be on the field at a higher level, and that means multiple six figures or more per year on my own pen. Number one, I like the money. It's great. It's fantastic. Number two, I think, you have to lead in the front. You can't tell your agents, your team to do something you're not willing to do yourself. And I like the process. I love the insurance business. I love going out there, meeting with a client, sitting down, having that conversation, and developing that relationship and protect their families. So anyway, I decided that starting that date, March 22nd, that I'm going to do this play-by-play. So when I'm out in the field, which right now is 2 or 3 days a week max, or minimum 2 days, maximum 3 days, I'm going to do it play by play, so you really get an understanding firsthand of what it looks like to properly do this business. Meaning buying the right leads, making the right lead investment in your business to have the success. I see so many people come into this business and they try to bootstrap it, or they're busted and broke, and they got $20 for leads, and they'll spend $25 to $50 week after week after week after week, and never really getting any traction. All they're doing is blowing $25 to $50 a week every week on old leads, crappy leads. I've got other names for them too, but I won't bring it up, right? So and you're never going to succeed at a high level. You probably won't succeed at all, because it's a law of large numbers, and when you're buying low numbers of leads, you don't have enough leads to create any momentum to get the exact number of appointments that you need in order to write appointments. Let me give you an example. You spend $25 to $50 a week on leads, you get 5 to 8 leads for that amount. If you're looking at $6 to $10 leads, that's about what it is. If you get six to 8 leads, you might get half of those on the phone because they're aged leads, and out of the half, you might have a chance to. If you're working $6 leads, the conversion rate is about 10 to 1. So you need 10 leads to set 1 appointment. Well, if you get 6 to 8, what are you looking at? You're looking at maybe setting 1 or 2 appointments. You go out there, one forges you. You might sit with one, and you don't close it because you're operating on a minimum of a 50% closing ratio. So that goes on week after week after week after week because you're not working the law of large numbers. Okay, so you're better off starting this business on a spare time or part-time basis and having a lead budget to make an investment. Leads are not an expense, they are an investment because every lead has a name and a phone number and every lead has a conversion factor. So if you know your conversion factor of the leads that you're working, and you can figure out very soon what your conversion rate is on the phone because you're new and getting a new skill, you can make a fortune in this business by matching those two conversion rates. You know what you need to spend to get X, I need to spend Y to get X, right? Or whatever it is. So it's very simple, and we can have that conversation. And my contact information is in the description below. You can text me, email me, call me. If you're looking for a place that really will teach you the skills, how to succeed this business, not on YouTube, right? I hear that all of our friends on YouTube. Well, that's great. I need to be able to call my coach or mentor before, during, and after the appointment, and I need them to teach me. First of all, they had to be successful at it in order to teach me to be successful, and then I want to be able to partner that person to really learn the business. Otherwise, it's just a sign-up thing. It's no better than network marketing. Sign a bunch of people up and hope somebody does something and make you rich. I'm not part of that deal. Don't want to be part of that deal. So reach out to me. We can talk. But again, going back to what this video is all about, apologize for getting sidetracked there. It's 7 minutes into the video. Probably half of you already hung up. The ones that haven't hung up are really interested in what I have to say or in this industry, which is fantastic. So last week, week number 1, and we're on week number 2 now, okay? This is reversed. I don't know how to make that happen. So you're going to have to read it reversed. 10 A leads I bought for $551. I'll read it to you since it's reversed. I apologize. 10 A leads for $551. I set 6 appointments. I haven't made contact with all the leads yet, so that's a pretty good ratio. I still have more leads to get a hold of. I set with 5, meaning I set 6. I set with 5. 1 no-showed me. I wrote 4 apps for $4,538. Again, about an average of $1,000 per app. Okay, at 90% commission rate, my commission was $4,084. What I didn't do was make a note of what the advance was. So $4,084 times 75% advance. I advanced $3,063. Right, that's what actually hit my bank account. So let's go from there and kind of correct this a little bit. Makes it because I know someone's probably going to call me out on it. So we'll fix it right now. So $3,063. I spent $551 on leads, which means I earned profit $25.12. I earned a profit of $25.12, okay, on a $551 investment. I bought 10 leads, set 6 appointments, set with 5, wrote 4 apps. Again, at the industry average of about $1,000 per app, slightly above that. Figuring a 90% commission rate, okay, I made $4,000. I still have the $1,000 here that will pay out in months 10th, 11th, and 12th. I didn't lose that money, but I get advanced in my bank account, $25.12. This is what I'm living off of today, okay? $25.12, right? I know it's backwards. It's what happens when you do it with the iPhone. But that's pretty good. Now, week number 2 is what I'm going out today. I have an appointment here. I need to leave here in a couple of hours. I've now spent $636 on leads for week number 2. I'm committed to spending $500 to $1,000 a week on leads. So hold me to that, okay? Last week was $551. This week is $636. I've already booked, 3 or 4 appointments. I haven't dialed all through all the leads yet. and I've got appointments tonight, and I'll update you on what my progress as I'm going down the road. So make sure you watch the live videos. Do me a favor, click the subscribe button. But it's really important to hit that bell, mash that bell, because as soon as I go live and on the way to the appointment or after I leave the appointment with my application in my hand, you get the live update. I think this will be very valuable, because you're getting really a day in the life of a mortgage protection agent. That being said, wish me luck. Actually, I don't believe in luck. I believe we control our luck by improving our skills, but wish me a blessing. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.